Deanna at WTI, and I love my new Nectar bed. We've had this bed for about 4 months and it is so extremely comfortable. When you get it, it's rolled up and vac sealed in plastic, and you open it up and let it expand for 24 hours. What I love about this mattress is it has a 12-inch medium firm gel memory foam inside here. And of that 12 inches, 3 of the inches are gel. This cover is a heat-wicking cover. And there's a nice balance between soft and firmness of this bed. And what's really neat is there is a forever warranty on it. My new bed is lovely and super comfortable, and that's my point of view.